What's up guys, this is Manoj Kumar. Today we are going to fix an error in starting npm in React. So let's get started. First we'll just open our Safari browser. In that, go to the official nodejs.org website and install the latest pack of Node. Then close the browser, go to your finder, find the Node package, then hit it. So it does continue, agree, install, enter your password. Yeah, it is getting installed. Yeah, it is downloaded. Now let's just close and move this to bin. Let me open my terminal and I have some piece of code to run. Yeah, let me have this side by side and let me check first is node installed. So now it should show the version. Yeah, it has been showed. Now we will check npm is installed or not. Yeah, it is also installed. Now we will just install React. So it is getting installed. Yeah, it has been installed. Now we will just have to create an React application. Now just copy this code and paste it down here. Now my app is nothing but the directory name of my React app. Now it may take a bit of time to manage those packages and install the React packages so that you can work comfortably. Yeah, it shows happy hacking, which means we have successfully created an React app. Now we will just enter into that React directory we have created. Yeah, now we will npm start and it should throw an error or something like this. This is because it is not binding with the local host. Let me show. Um, it shows like if we put this URL in the browser, it would open our project. No, it won't open our project because localhost is not a host at all in our Mac. That's why we are going to fix this error now. I will just terminate this process. Now I will just open uh, now I will just open a file called dot bash underscore profile. Now in this file we have to enter two lines which is host equal to local host. Yeah, then we have to export host. That's all. We will just save this file. Now we will just run this file using source command dot bash underscore profile. Yeah, it is just running the file. Yeah, now we are good to go. We will just clear these things and enter into the my app directory and start npm. Now it should work now. Yeah, guys, wait for it. Yeah, it is working. Yeah, boom, it worked. So if you guys have run the React app successfully, then hit the thumbs up button and subscribe for our channel. Thank you.